Are you seeking information about how to make money online? Then check out these great tips. How can I make money online? Is it hard to do? How do I learn which sites are worthwhile and which are scams? Should I set up my own business? Can I turn my home into a store? Whatever your dreams are, the tips below will help you make money online. You must predetermine your niche before you consider working online. Can you write well? Market yourself as a video writer? Are you good at making graphics? If so, there are lots of people who would be happy to hire you. Look around to find what you want to do. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. All of the questions you may have will be answered by learning as much as you can. This video is just the tip of the iceberg, so continue checking out videos around the web. The more you know, the more money you will make when you work online from home. Student loan.